Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have a really fun video for you today. I have fall items that I found at Dollarama and some DIYs you are gonna love. I'm so impressed with the variety and quality of pumpkins this year. There really is something for every style and taste. There's different colors and different textures and different sizes. I think they're all super cute. I really like this gray pumpkin with the gold stem, and I'm totally obsessed with this large wooden pumpkin. I love the cream one. They also have traditional looking pumpkins, sparkly pumpkins, velvety pumpkins, sweater texture pumpkins. I'm giving you a little peek here, but can you guess which ones I picked? I decided to go with a more neutral palette to go with my decor. I picked out this sweater texture pumpkin. I thought it was really cute. Of course, I had to get the wooden one. I love this. I think it is great for under $5. And I also picked out this little plaid pumpkin. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the leaves on it, but in the end I decided to leave them because they didn't come off easily. But I am really happy with this little vignette. While I was shopping at Dollarama, I also found this black leaf tray, which is a great size and super cute. It would be great for displaying fall decor. I just kind of placed my pumpkins on it so you could get an idea of what I'm thinking. Pretty cute, right? I also picked up this cute rolling pin from Dollarama. I really liked the price of it and also the size and shape, but I didn't love the color, so I thought I would do a little DIY. I thought I would have a little fun with it and go with a little bit of a different color. I've been reading a lot about how pink is the new neutral. I don't think I'm ready to paint a wall pink, but I thought it would be fun to mix up kind of a pale pink and incorporate it into my fall decor. My plan was to paint both sides and decorate them differently so that it could be a dual purpose piece of decor. I'm going to use one side for fall and one side for Halloween. I made two decals with my Cricut. One said spooky season and the other said cozy season. I also grabbed some twine to tie around the ends of the rolling pin, but you'll see later in the video I opted to go for a wider ribbon. The rolling pin was freshly painted and I didn't want the paint to come up when I applied the decal, so I used press and seal instead of the super sticky transfer tape that comes with a Cricut. I think this looks really cute. If you don't have a Cricut, you could always use stickers or paint words onto your rolling pin. And here's the final product. What do you think? And here are a few more fun fall items I found at my local Dollarama last week. I love these tiered tray items, super cute for fall and Thanksgiving. The wreaths are also really nice. I especially love this blue one. The pumpkins wrapped in burlap are really nice, and this blue pumpkin garland also caught my eye. Dollarama also has a wide variety of fall signs this year. They're a really great size and a great value for $4. You can hang them up or you can display them using the pedestal on the back. The last Dollarama find I want to share today are these white bags. They come 3 in a pack. I have a perfect, simple DIY for back to school. Take a ruler and make a vertical line using a blue pen, probably about 1 inch away from the side of the bag. Then flip the bag around and take a red pen and make horizontal lines about every centimeter all the way down the bag. By now, you can probably tell that we're making this bag look like a piece of loose leaf. To finish it off, grab a black Sharpie and make 3 dots to look like the holes in the paper of the loose leaf. You can leave the gift bag as it is. You can write on it with crayons or markers, or if you have a Cricut like I do, you can make a fun decal for the front. My decal says first day of school survival kit for Ms. Smith, and I think it'd be fun to fill with goodies and give to the teacher on the first day of school. It would also be fun for kids. You could put their name on it and greet them with a bag of goodies when they get home on the first day. I think this is a fantastic, easy, and inexpensive idea for back to school. If you like this video full of Dollarama finds and DIYs, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.